Oy, JR, magbinuotan baya gyud nalipay ko nga nakagraduate ka na sa PNPA. Ug ako proud kanimo. Busa ang trabaho gid nato doy kana gingwa kay mga crooked nga himuon, kana ging straight nga makapataas ta sa atong agtang kay kita buutan nga pamilya. Congratulations, JR.
Congratulations, JR, sa inyong pagkatapos pag-eskwela. Inatong tanong ko yung kagdaghan siguro ang kumain ka ng buutan.
JR. Okay. Congratulations, Kuya JR. Yeah, congratulations. Congratulations, JR. Kang auntie ni Monita home. Yeah, happy graduation. Nasa yung...
Yes, congratulations.
Dayon.
Uli ka diri, uli ka.
Ikaw ang call.
Tapos ka na nakuman. Congratulations ang ating kanino. JR, ulit nagsabitan kayo. Bata, happy. Okay?
Congratulations, Kuya JR.
From the Pitans
And the Pitan
City.
City.
We love you.
We love you.
JR, we love you very much. Congratulations for passing your course with flying colors. We are very proud of you. Go on, so that you will be successful in your life. We will pray for your success, and may you are going to be with your family always, with your Mama Helen and Papa Bito, and best regards to all of them also. Thank you so much for giving your family an honor.
Sila hi. Hi, Uncle JR.
Hello!
Congratulations. Kasi paghatag ng... Sige. Kill. Sige. Message. Sana faith. Hello lang. Hello. Hello sa ilo.
Sana bumisita ka dito. Visit ka dito.
Okay na.
Congratulations, Kuya JR, from Bagitan City. We love you.
Congratulations. To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream. Not only plan, but also believe. Congratulations, we are proud of you.